This is Kirk Harber here. We're going to take a look at the third video for Do I Want to Know for the bass slash guitar. You can use it on both. This video, we've already learned those two main riffs, so we're going to take a look in this video at some of the little variations that we have on it. Alright, so first variation, that clearer, is what we call the bridge, kind of at bar 15 there. And this is very similar to the first riff. If I just slide this over for a sec, you'll see that it leads in with one of these do-do-do-doos. 4 and 1. So when I start this, that's what you're going to hear at first. Do-do-do-do, and that low note will be the third one there. The third fret note. Alright, so I don't need to play this again actually, because you already know it from doing it the first time. There's only one thing that is different, and it's this bar here, where it says this bar is different. So if you look directly above, this bar starts exactly the same, where it's like, where we do that first fret, 1, 2, and 3, that's where we do our little slide up. So that's on our slide up bar. The second time it does it in the bridge, which I'm calling the bridge, not sure if it is actually the bridge. 1, 2, it's very similar, except that it changes to this note early, right on beat 4, whereas over here, it kind of waits right to the last second, do-do-do-do, to play that 6th there, which is technically a B flat. And this time, it goes to it right on beat 4. So I'll play this bar all the way through, and I'll play this bar all the way through. Here's the first one, right at the beginning of the bridge. 1, 2, 4, and just into the next bar a bit. Okay, and here's the next one. 3, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right on beat 4. Here we go to that 6th there. Here's the bridge all together, so if you want to rehearse along, this is how it would go. I'm assuming that by now you got it up to speed a little bit more, so I won't go too slow. And I'm going to do that little lead in right before it. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 2. Wait till after 4. 2, 3. Second line. So that's how it goes for that part. If you listen to the recording, you'll hear what I mean. Next part, and this is kind of for the bass only. Verse 2, it plays this twice. Actually, for the whole verse, it keeps playing this even when the guitar comes back. Guitar comes back in here. Bass keeps doing this. So guitars and mandolins and any other pianos, you're out. Just bass and vocals and drums. So here we go. So it's really simple. It's like a low 3, 1, 2. 4, 1, rest, 3, rest, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it just goes again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you might notice I went 5 and slid down, because that's what it does in the recording. If you listen to it, you'll hear that. Alright, and then guitar's coming back here while bass keeps doing that. Next major difference part will be, let's see, we're doing similar thing throughout here, and then the next part is just the same as before, where it said this bar is different in the chorus, where we will go to beat 4 right away instead of waiting like it does the time above. Alright, so the next biggest difference is the ending chorus. This is like a normal chorus, almost, except it's like the second line of the chorus where you went 3, 2, 3, 4, and then up to the high one. So it does that twice. See that those repeat bars there, so you're going to do that twice. Then in the next line, this is like the most different part of the song here. Instead of going do 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 and landing on the 3 like it does up here, it's going to change. It's going to land on the 1. Dun, 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 2, 3, 4, and then we hit that high 5. And that leads us just over to our 6, and kind of finishes off like normal. Actually, it doesn't finish off like normal. That is the point of this outro here. So 1, 2, and 3. Sorry, that's a half note there. 1, 2, 3. Dun, 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 4, and then it just lands there. I should use my finger because then it does that after. If I use my first finger, then I can access that 6 easier. 6, 3, 5, 3, 2, 3. I'm going to play it 3 times. 1, 2, 3 for the second time. Dun, dun, 2, 3, and then one more time. It's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 4. And then the very outro at the bottom, 3, 4, 1, stop. That's the end of the song. Outro 2 is really easy because it's like whole note on 3 and then 1 rest, and that's the end of the song. Alright, so I'm going to play that little bit of the ending chorus at bar 56, and starting from right here, I'm just going to go out with that there till the end. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And we need to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. And outro 2, 1. Whole note, 1, rest. And that's it. Alright, and then just to hear to practice this one, where it says this bar is different too. This is from the ending chorus, so I'm just going to skip down to bar. I'm going to play the whole ending chorus. We'll play the whole ending chorus together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, shift. 1, 2, 3, shift. 1. We would repeat that twice. We play that twice. So I'm still on that same line. Down, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to go to bar 52. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Down a different note. 2, 3, and then that will bring us down to where we practiced before, into the outro. Alright, so take your time with it, pause the video, and make sure to follow the fingerings.